All right. Hello, good morning. Are you ready for some more training? Meredith Dale here. It's a wonderful day, and today we're going to hit on probably one of the most important things outside of your writing your blog and syndicating it on social media. One of the most important things that you can do to increase leads for your business, and that's that we're going to make capture pages using the website Lead Pages. Do you remember in the last training we went over how to set up your autoresponder, your email autoresponder? The capture pages is what your autoresponder actually pulls from to get all the leads from, correct? So let me go ahead and show you. We're going to get started right away. We're going to go to Lead Pages, leadpages.com. I'm going to share my screen. And by the way, I still haven't figured out how to get back to my screen, so if you don't see my mug after this training video, that's okay. You've seen enough of me. All right, let's go to the training video, or the share screen. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We are going to go to Lead Pages. Here we are. All right, so Lead Pages. You go to leadpages.net, not .com, leadpages.net, and you're going to go ahead and on the first page, obviously, you're going to need to sign up for an account. Go ahead, sign up for an account, and once you're inside, then you're going to come up here to templates. Now, when you're just wanting to do a capture page for the very first time, this is something where you're going to put this in your bio on Instagram. You're going to put this alongside anything that you post on Google Plus or anything that you post on Facebook. It's going to take people, once they've seen your value and once they've seen your content, then you say click on the link. They click on the link, and this is where it's going to take them to your template, right? So let's do, we can just look through all templates. There's sales pages, opt-in pages, webinar pages, and so we're going to go all templates. Okay, so here are all the templates. You can, I'm trying to find one that I use quite a bit just as my capture page. It's pretty simple, simple stuff, and you're going to use, I don't know, let me see which one looks good. This one looked pretty good up here. There's lots to choose from, but this one looks pretty good. It's just basic. It's called the Basic Squeeze page. This right here, they're asking you what industry you're in. If you want to tell them, you can tell them. If you don't want to tell them, you just say no thanks, I'd rather not say. And then it's going to take you to your template. This is just pretty much the fun stuff. This is the real fun stuff. I like this. And so we're going to give it a name. So I'm just going to call this, you just click on it to give it a name so that it's stored and you always know what to call it. The little widgets are what you click on. So page name, I'm going to call this training page. All right. There you go. Now it's going to be saved. So let's work on the background first. Let's go to background image. All of your saved, these are all of my saved images. If you want to upload one, here's the option down here, upload a new picture. My mentor told me a long time ago that blurry images work the best. So you can go to Google, to Bing, to whatever you want to, and just type in, you know, blue blurry image, pink blurry image, blah, 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 blah. So I like, this one's actually one of my favorites. Greens work well. Greens are go, right? You don't want to use red. That's kind of harsh. So greens mean go. I like greens. I like purples. If you're, what have we always said? If you want to get rich, market to a niche. So whatever your niche is, keep them in mind. For me personally, I like to work with women network marketers because I am a woman. I kind of know myself. And so I pick pretty things, right? So know your niche. If you want to just turn off lead pages, click to edit. Let's get out of this. Click the widget, and you can hide it. Now, you're going to want to put in whatever attention capturing you want them to do. So what do you want them to do? Why are they here? They're here. Maybe you have a brand new video showing them how to apply makeup, showing them how to apply the wrap, showing them how to create a locket. Whatever network marketing business you're in, that's what you want to do. So we can do free video, right? So that's telling them. So I do free video. Shows you, and what you want to do is you want to capitalize, shows you how to get the, you want to capitalize the first letter of every word, the best results from your wrap, or whatever you're doing. You could even do free video shows you how to make your own beautiful locket. Before I became a coach, I was in a network marketing, I was a distributor for a network marketing company, and what I would use for this is, mine personally was supplements. So, I would say free video shows you the best exercises to complement your, fat blaster or whatever. And then I would send them, to the YouTube channel where I had my videos at. So you just want to do something, you want to tell them it's free, and you want to give them value. Why would they're giving up something. They're giving up their email address. So why would they do that? They need something in return. So you want to give them something in return, and that's a free video full of value because you're going to show them something. Enter your email address to get this report. The best thing to put in here is enter your valid email address, because yes, people will give you bogus email addresses, and you don't want a bogus email address on your in your leads, right? You don't want that. So then download the report. This is where they're going to put in their email and their name, and it gets sent over to your Aweber. So you can, since we just want to have their name and their email and their phone number, we are going to hide this, and I'm going to hide this guy. So, enter your email address below to, how about, to watch the video. You want to stay on this page. Oh, it's over here. See, technology. Enter your email address to watch the video now. All right? And you can always change this color if you want to. Red, if you want to get their attention, we want red. I don't know why it's not changing it. Just play around with this. Play around with it a lot. It's a lot of fun once you start playing around with it. They obviously don't need to give you their phone number, so just turn that off. On the button, the submit button is over here. So, because this is the form, and it's we don't want that quite yet. I want to go over to here, and I want, this is my text, so I want to change that. It's wanting me to integrate this right now. Come on, let me. All right, I'm clicking too many buttons, so this is when you need to stop. When everything starts going funky, you just need to stop. Okay. We're going to do what it says to do right now, so I can show you this if this ever happens to you. Integration settings. This is where it comes up with Aweber. Remember the last training we went through all of Aweber, how to create a list, what to name it, your list options, your sign-up forms, the message that you want. This is what collects all of your emails that people give you from this page. So this is really simple stuff. So yesterday we created a list. We did our list option, we did our message, so we named it Top Producer. So when I come back to my training page, integrate form with Aweber, okay? Using, this is the lists. These are all of my lists. Here's Top Producer. You want to reload it because it's going to start pulling all of the data that's from Aweber, all of the information that we put into our emails, and it's going to integrate them together. So then you just go ahead and customize this form. Okay, so now it's thinking about the form fields, which is fine. So now it's good to go. Just click OK. Now we can go back here. I'm going to header image, turn it off. Form image, I'm going to turn it off. That's just all that stuff over there. We wanted to enter your email address below to see the free video. Okay, we want to keep that. Download the report. We don't want to download the report. What do we want to do? We want it to say something like, take me to the video now. I don't know why it's not letting me, probably because I'm trying to teach you guys, right? And it doesn't want to let me do that. What? So I don't know why it keeps on going back. Like I said, it's probably because I'm trying to teach you guys. The submit button, maybe I'll just go over here to the submit button. I want to change the wording. When you want to change the wording, go over, here it goes. Okay, so send me to the video. Okay, you don't want it to say take me to the report because that makes absolutely no sense. You can, I like the button colors to be green. Green means go, not that green. Okay, if you want to, on the submit button, you can have a lot of fun with it. All down here, here's the border color. You know, you can just make it white so it's not all weird. Okay, integration settings, we already did it. Header image, we are turning off. Click OK. Form image, we are turning off again. Okay. Enter your email address, so we want the heading style. We want to put, enter your email address below to view the video. Okay? Okay. So see, now that's all good, and it has been integrated with your Aweber. It has been, you've chosen what list you want it to connect to. You click OK. Confirm integration change. Yes. So now when you publish your lead page, when someone puts in their name here and their email address, it automatically captures it over here on your Aweber Top Producer list. Here is your training page. This is, your lead pages, and then you want to hit OK. Now you want to send them to a thank you page. This is all still under here when they clicked on this. So this is all under your form settings. You want them to go to a thank you page. If you want to send them to your YouTube video, put in the YouTube, address here. But if you have it on, I personally would not send them to YouTube. There's way too many distractions. I would send them to your blog address because you've already uploaded your video onto your blog, right? So you want them to go to your blog address because what's on your blog address as well? All of your clickable hyperlinks that send them back to your affiliate product pages. Okay, so you're going to put in your blog address and click OK. So now, I know I have to provide a valid URL, but no, we're not going to do that. When you put on the thank you page, let me go ahead and I'll put in mine. All right. So now when they click send me to the video, it's going to take them right to your blog, and they're going to be able to find the video there. They're going to be able to find the product that you're talking about there. They're going to be able to find all that. So you just go ahead and click OK. If you like the way this looks, enter your valid email address. Oops, it didn't save. Let's see here, this submit button. Oh wait, okay. Over here, download the report styles. Go to the button. Well, you can use button background. I like the, let's do a blue. Kind of make it a blue because that's pretty. Button hover. This turns it to a different color. You might want to use green. But then let's go ahead and we want to content. We want to the content box. Let's make this the headline, the subline, the opt-in button. Okay, we don't want download the report. We want yes, I want to see the video. Okay, because then they're saying, yeah, I want to see it. So do you remember how we did that? All we did was we went to the content on this page and just go over here. We can change the background image. We took off the logo up top, and this was originally the content box. It was originally a plus. You open it up, and then you can modify the headline, the subline, the valid, the opt-in button. All right, so that's what we just did. That's the opt-in button, and you want to get them excited. Yes, I want to see the video. So then when they click that, that took us over to our form. We already went through all of that. Remember, I take fastidious notes when I'm learning anything. You are learning new stuff. This is new stuff that you have not learned before, right? But you will learn it, and it's necessary to learn to grow your business. So don't get frustrated. I used to get so frustrated thinking that I had to get it done, and oh my gosh, I don't know how to do it, and everything else. And it finally clicked on me thinking, no one's waiting for you, Meredith. They're only waiting for you when you put it out there. So right now, take your time to learn this. And once you learn it, it's a skill that no one's ever going to be able to take away from you. Forevermore versus all of the other affiliates, versus all of the other distributors in your affiliate company, I guarantee you, you are one of the few, one of the 3% out of the 90, out of the 100%. So 97% of affiliates in your company don't know how to do this stuff, but you do. You're learning something, and that's good. Donald Trump always asks himself at the end of the night, what have I learned today? And if he can't say that he's learned anything, that makes him scratch his head. Now, you want to be a Donald Trump, right? The billionaire? I mean, maybe not the funky Donald Trump, but his mindset. So learn this stuff. It takes a couple times, but once you know it, and you can just blow through these things. I have hundreds of these capture pages because I learned it. Back to this. Let's turn this off. Privacy policy. I mean, you can keep that in. I actually do keep them in. I turn this off. Go to the little sprocket, the little widget, hide. Okay, so now you're going to save it. And it's saved. What you're going to do now, and this is the really, really, really fun part, is once it comes up, this is forever yours. It stays inside of your lead pages. Let's go to training page. Okay. And now just go over here to publish. And it's going to show you. So publish, this is where you're going to take your link from. All right, it's just moving just a little slow right now. But this is where you're going to take your link from. Here's your link right here. Isn't that awesome? So this is where you're going to take your link from. I always copy it. And this is what you put into anything you write on Google Plus, anything you write on Instagram, anything you write on anything, right? So you can go ahead and view the page. This is how it actually looks. This is what your people are going to be seeing. So they go here. Yes, I want to see the video. All right, so we're going to put in Coach Meredith Dale. So they've put in the, their email address. Send me to the video. And because you linked it back up to your Empower Network blog, boom, there you are. Isn't this exciting stuff? This is exciting, exciting, exciting stuff, guys. You're learning stuff and doing stuff that 97% of your affiliates are not doing. This is why you're going to make the bucks. This is why you're going to make the big money. So now I want to take you to one more place. We're done with lead pages, all right? You've saved that. That's fine. You've saved your lead page. You can go ahead and log out because you've already copy and pasted. So I want to take you to what I'm talking about right now. So if you go to Google Plus, any social media that you want. I'm just going to use Google Plus as an example, but say you want to put this on Instagram, you just go ahead and in your Instagram bio, where you've done your words, where it says website, go ahead and click this link. But for Google Plus today, I want to share something, right? And so you already have your account. You're going to go up here, share what's new. Say you are share what's new. Let me give it a second. See, look. Okay, come on. See, I click too many buttons. Are you guys like me? Are you guys like me? You probably are. So share what's new. Now you're talking to your niche, right? Say you are, hi everyone. I just have to say that this brand new product is absolutely the best. Click this link to see what I'm talking about, right? So you personalize this to whatever niche you're in. Go ahead, here's your lead pages, you copy and you paste. Oops, did I not get it? So just go back to your lead pages. All right, so go back to your lead pages. This is good for you guys to see. So you would just log in. Or actually, I don't even need to do this because I actually have. So you would just log in, you would go back and you would grab it, but lead, pages.net slash, slash it works for success, right? That's where that's my welcome page. So I would just copy this, and then you're going to put it back into, so whatever your lead pages was that you already copied and pasted, mine didn't seem to take, so that's why I'm grabbing it from another spot. Then you're just going to go ahead and paste it in here. Here's my mug. Let's go back here. You're going to copy this and paste it into your message. So there you go. Now it's clickable. So this is your lead pages, the one we just created, the one you just created. So click this link to see what I'm talking about, and then of course you're going to want to put in your hashtags for whatever your business is, your niche, blah 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 blah. Put in all your hashtags so that people find you on other pages here on Google Plus, and so then you're done. So you can go ahead and share this. I'm not going to share it, or else all my followers are going to be like, "What is she talking about?" But you go ahead and share this, and then whatever hashtags you've put in, they work the same, just like on Instagram. They work the same, just like on YouTube, Facebook. So then they're going to be able to find you on all of Google Plus's pages, or if you've done this on Instagram, or if you've done this on Facebook, wherever you've put your lead page. Okay, so now when they have gone to your lead page, they're going to put in their email address, and they're going to get sent. They're going to be part of your list now, and then you're done. So there we go. Hi, I figured it out. Technology. I'm like Donald Trump. I learned something new today. Anyways, so that's how you do a lead page. Isn't that really incredible stuff? So now any of your lead pages, you can make as many as you want. As many as you want. So every day, if you want to talk about a new product and have them go to a different lead page, put in their email address, it captures it on Aweber, and then that's how you're capturing all of your leads. That's how you're going to be able to stay in front of your customers, your clients, your prospects, because all you have to do then is go back to Aweber, pull up your list, send out an email blast. This is easy, easy stuff, and it's what sets you apart from everyone else that's in your affiliate company. As always, I'm your coach. So if you have any questions, get in touch with me, coachmeredithdale@gmail.com. You know how to get in touch with me by this point. So contact me for any questions. I'll see you on Facebook. We're going to have some more trainings coming up, some webinars, but I will see you soon. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.